anything. Yes, broad here. Yes, coconut. Yes, pure sir. That car also coming speedy to beating them in the road. Or can also beating them in the road. They be a Kolebu, they be a Chinadi, they be a accident center. But they said the work no there. So Nana Akufo-Addo is Excellency of Ghana, the president of Ghana, and they beg you find some stores for these people in the traffic to collect all the vehicle to go to the store to stop what they are doing in the streets. Some people also reading the Bible, small Bible. They go to the Bible school. They are so their pastors. Only Jesus can say. Only Jesus can say. Oh, Jesus can say. Jesus can say. Jesus can say. Look at all this. Hey, this is Vena Active. Vena Active is the best solution in this country. Power. Don't kill your TV. Pause your TV. Look, now the more sponsors are coming. Now the more sponsors. Geisha soap be strong and last long. And what? Kiss soap. There's still Amansa Boafo. These are my sponsors. Hey, this is Brahma Kamoko. This is Vena Active. It's the best solution in the country. Kill your TV. Don't kill it. Pause your TV. A shower. I go.
The Huawei Y8P before 13th August to enjoy a free Huawei band phone and gift box, plus a Huawei VIP card. Hurry! Terms and conditions apply.
The IBF Bantamweight Champion of the World, Joseph King Kong.
My name is Joseph King Kong Agbeko, 3 times World Bantamweight Champion.
This is your girl Benedict Sagafa, aka Empress Dictably.
It's safe to stay home if you don't have anything doing outside. So let us all stay home to avoid the spread of COVID-19. As we stay home, we need to keep our body fit and healthy.
For me, I keep myself active by training 10 to 15 minutes every day. And whilst training, I do not forget my Vena Active.
I also drink Vena Active water, which has all the benefits of drinking water and contains vitamins, folic acid, and essential nutrients. Vena Active.
Changing people's lives.
Vena Active. What's made with vitamins and folic acid.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved.
I'm back. I come bigger. This show is proud sponsored by Vena Active. A Vena Active contains vitamin and folic acid and helps the boost them immune system. It is at the dealing fueling proud of FDA. Geisha soap be strong and last long. It's my one sponsor. And Kiss soap still I'm on Samba for. Today, I'll talk about unemployment. Unemployment. Some people, I said the work is not Ghana. Nothing going in Ghana. They go everywhere to find job. They don't get job. Well, people go robbing. People do ashawo. People are fighting rough for the country. People also find a small money to go to the traffic, to selling pawpaw, what pure, everything they selling. Their cars also beating them rough in the streets. So, Mr. Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, the president of Ghana, you can find some stores for these people and carry these people on the streets. And when a car is coming, it's coming below 30s. right now, if you go to some ghettos, people are doing ashawo because of money. If you go to them to talk to them, they say the money is no day for any work is no day. You want to do what you like. Now when are they talking to you today? 14 years, 15 years go robbery because he said the work is no day for Ghana. Where only one woman, only one virgin woman is sleeping to the 20 minutes a day. They're killing virginality. They're killing virginality because Okoba, Ateba, Tayuaba, Ogbameba, Bugo Bankuba, Powersiba, everything they come, or they flow into the different blood, into your virginality. It can caution your alchemist. Oh, I shall the enye. Prostitute the enye. Some people also go to school. They say they don't get work. Well, the behavior for the nation rough because work no day for Ghana. Mr. Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, you are president of Ghana. The teachers also they finish school. The doctors they finish school. Then Nana, you know, post them. Well, they are sitting down, no work. They are sitting at home, no work, no food, no water. The time they knock on you knocking the nation, no food, no water. They are crying home. They are crying home. So, Mr. Excellency, you are president of Ghana. Me, you know that John Mama is my father, but me, I love you because you are Ghana president. So, do something Ghana people are shouting to stop the shouting. Because if you go here shouting, if you go here shouting, everywhere they go, they are shouting like a milky cheese. Ghana make, so Nana, president of Ghana, stand for killing that animal in the nations. Hey, you know, Nana Akufo-Addo, Mr. Excellency, me I respect you a lot. You know, John Mama is my father. You know. Hey, Ghana. They say, and the time you want to come to the president, you say the 143 district, they cannot see anything. They cannot see any work you come and talk. They cannot see anything. In Ghana, everybody the bombocrat in this nation. Everyone bombocrat. Ashawagans, they are bombocrats. Hand robbers, they are bombocrats. Drivers of everybody bombocrats because when he's speaking, they say they are not working in Ghana. It be so they are do. It be so they are do in this nation. So, Mr. Excellency, me I dey beg you. Today, I'm sitting here. I have some guests here to interview him. He joined me. Emmanuel Kwesi Afiye, Director of Corporate Affairs for the Youth Employment Agency. You know my English is no good, so relax for me small. Daddy, good evening. Oh.
Good evening. Good evening.
Coronavirus.
Yeah, but you're doing well. A man can never be careful
unless he buy a new car and a white shirt. And the people without community make society.
Nice one.
GH1
nice
TV.
One.
We are the best in this country.
Nice
we cook out you everywhere. Who say man no day?
Monday.
Banku day. Daddy, we go some area. We go to make the video. I want you to see that video. And I go ask you question. What are you think about this video? Because I know you are best man. And I call you for my studio. So watch the video now.
Sure.
My name is Rama Kamoko, aka Bukom Banku. Woman without no man, it's like a river without a source. And abundance of water. The foolish one must be taste. We there for the old farmer today. We they talk about unemployment. The people are going to the robbery to fire them. The people are due for a shower. They say there is no work in the nation. So my brother and my sisters, there for the nation. For government, you can find the work for them to stop the behavior in the nation. Say Banku Oba. Honorable Apochi, I greet you. You are the best for Kumasi. Say Banku Oba. I'm here for interview some guests. They do a show. They say there is no work in the Ghana. Why they do a show? Well, you are man. They work there for you.
There's no work for us because of the season thing. So if we are working safe, we're not getting anything. So always we on our house. so we don't get any work to do. So we are begging the president to come and help us so that we will get some work and do what we can do. Because we are suffering.
Okay, what work you do?
I'm a motor rider.
Okada?
Yeah, 3 tires.
3 tires?
Yes, sir. So now there's no work for us. Always, if we are working, police people will be catching us. The small one we will get, we will use that money to go and solve for them. So at last, we will just work empty. The money used to buy petrol and things, we won't get. And there's no work again. So I beg them, they should do it. They should get patience for us so that we will get something and do it and work. Because we are Ghanaians. Some people get work. Why we do Ghana, we can't get work. So we are begging to do it, to give us more chance to do it, to get our work and to do it.
Thanks.
Okay. What work you do?
I go to town. Let's say Ashao or prostitute. That's what I do.
You do Ashao?
Yeah.
Why? Why you do that? The work is not the area.
Somewhere yes, somewhere no. But for me, like this, no work for me to do. So, and even I work that I have to do, like, it doesn't end much at the end of the month. So I think if I follow friends to go to prostitute, I earn much more than that. So that's why I continue doing it.
From Monday to Sunday, what money, how much you get?
Okay, it depends. Maybe from Fridays, that's the weekends, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I think these 3 days I can get some amount like 400.
400?
Yeah, 400.
Like 4 million?
Yeah, like her old cities, 4 million.
You yourself, but you know that the prostitute is not good. So if you do that, maybe you can get any effect. So why you not stop to go and find another work to do?
Okay, yeah, I know. But in this Ghana here, all what we know is money, 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 and money everywhere. So I don't even right now that as I'm talking to you, if I have much here, like, you know how things will go. So because of money, that's all that. So that's why I'm doing it.
So you see 10 people a day?
Oh, sometimes more than that.
Huh?
Oh yes.
Why? Why you do Ashao?
Because scarcity. Say many scare me want to na mesa.
Scarcity na we yes ah. Na adente na unkopa ejuma na unye.
Yeah, oh yeah. O monto na father so ton o monto o kopa ejuma so awunya. Tende me ya Ashao na manya dem de be.
A day, how much you get?
Okay, between 35 and 25 and 15. It depends.
Sisi a day na mu pese yen yama na mu jai Ashao na mu yenu.
So duma be krum na nipa be no benya ska ana obeye adwuma na ebetwa ne kafa krum de be won wan se obesa ko gina krum so obo Ashao.
So near friend Jackson, don't I guess it's bigger be an army or Jammy from my autumn to me. Now, if it man, I said, come on, name me, Nuchmo will go back. Ona, Nekulemo Kale, buy 5 city, buy 10 city, like a level, or I feel like I see no more while. If you only buy a man, money, you can buy from Siame, Nicolabana 50, 30, 40, no get quiet in the care way. No one able like I scan to more Nicola, I mean, Chum, Swan and friend, Bar. No, me, Ona guessing, me, Nani, I guessing, Jelemy, Koya, school, at least I don't know, Cassie only Nanuchumo. We need Mosine, in Cassini Nanuchumo, or no any moon, get phone, get phone, I can be, can of an off like it. I mean, I may ask him, Punavania Fee and Tona Entrepreneur Nuchumo, and I might make Cassie, the Bawa because Kebun, no, Chuni. Obano support you because no support you. She kept no maybe an only be a PR man because a tuni Kenyan Bachala Chalewana, Nuchumo way, minute Yakamin Nuchumokule, and I can see Boke but Monbono Moshinako, we are no Baskai or Necule, if we lose no Abache, Chale Buko Banku Sky, Wawa Femini, Wawa Buko Banku, Ona, because Nuchumo Beck. no one bale na kan won feel like am nya no create no tumo ye ododo consistency ne e ba nya ne wa you te ko ne ka ju ni na ka ye na ya ma me fe isafo.
Big father. I think say you watch the video very well.
Yeah.
Let me ask you a question. What are your thoughts on the video you just watching?
My thoughts are simple and brief. It's saddening. It's saddening to see young men, young people that are strong and vibrant and can work and contribute to the development of the GDP or to the development of the economy, who are going around engaging in these kind of jobs. It's not appropriate at all. It's not a good thing. It's not a good thing.
So, what do you think has contributed to the lack of employment especially in the slums?
Okay, so let me pick it from the video first of all. Video, let me just pick it from there. I think that every economy or every country, there is a problem of unemployment to some level. Ebia obi there 2%, obi there ofanipa 10. There are about 5% of the people. There are about 10% of the people, and it happens in every economy. And that is the more important reason why every government, and of course, we are not doing partisan politics here, no MPP, no NDC, but that is the reason why every government should focus on empowering its people. And how do you empower the people? You empower them in 3 stages, I believe, by providing basic amenities, for example, water, electricity. If they don't have place of convenience, you provide for them toilets. Secondly, you provide them with education. You empower them. Because if you look at most of these people, they cannot, forgive my language, write an application letter to, for example, GH1 to look for a job. There are people who cannot even write up a CV, all because they don't have the requisite knowledge. So they are not empowered. So the second point is to make sure that you empower the people through education. Let them get the requisite skills. It can be classroom education or it can be practical education. Ebia okusunya fita. Ebia okusunya ensano ejuma. Ebia anything at all. Okusunya. And then number 3, is to provide the jobs. So you set up factories, you set up companies, you collaborate with the private sector and make sure that you empower them, which is the private sector. Because if you look at any economy, almost set up to say GH1, one customer set up a company, to say MTN is big, to say Vodafone, they are big, and they are able to run the business as well. So the duty of you, the government, is to make sure that you are supporting them. You see Casaprec, you see Active, they are providing water. I mean, in as much as they are giving us water to drink, it will be a Juma, and so, no. But if you don't empower the people through providing the basic amenities, 2, empowering them through education, and 3, providing the jobs, you continue to face problems like this. And I think, in summary, this is why we are where we are as a country. And that is why, I am happy that government over government, and you mentioned President Akufo-Addo's name, is making sure that the people are empowered. If you look at it, also you have free SHS. And so people are getting access. People in cafes normally need access to education. Now, whether we want to talk about the quality of it or all of that is another discussion. But so people will be empowered.
They come 1 minute. Well, some people are there for the slum. They are not go to school. What are you do for help these people in the slums?
Yes, we will come to that. So all of these are supposed to happen. Then you create the jobs for them. Now, if you come to where I work, for example, Youth Employment Agency, we have particular focus for the people in the slums. You look at the kind of modules we are running. We have community police. This particularly is for people who don't have any qualification. So we have the DCs, the EMB bosses and all of them, and our district officers say you catch them say mon call monye announcement no monte no monbra et community police e wo homa mu ye wo youth in agric e wo homa mu afforestation okay any forestry commission. We sponsored the whole project, and Forestry Commission recruited over 60,000 people to come from, especially the slums, especially those who are not educated. Because Oko officer will be catch us say you have to bring a certificate. But to go into the forest and monitor how afforestation is done, plant tree there, and yes, go assembly. So we supported the Forestry Commission when they brought that proposal up to make sure that they are recruiting people, and they recruited over 60,000 people. Now, Oba Yehosi one important thing. And they say, and you'll be on a bit school. But Obi so wa and San Wajuma, and addition, and the fashion trailer do our far 1 hour away. Obi na pam suit no. And or their banner washe. Mention material shemi, Obi na a pam ye. So it's a craft people learn. And to why ye be a friend artisan directory. Artisan directory, me sure say if you give me time, I'll go into the details of it.
Yes.
The artisan directory is a system, an IT system we are setting up, where we have collaborated with all the artisanal associations. Emo mubu 3-4, omo mu pamade, omo mu ye news, omo mu ye bibia eye ensanwa adwuma bia no. Makeup cry and makeup. Oh ye makeup a uska bibri. Obi a wedding every weekend. Enti sa obi kwakọt na ose bia okoye sabi mesere monim kasa ashawo ana okoye bibia emfa kwam na emfa development embra no. We are setting this up, and then we are getting all of these people together. We are dealing with the associations.
Speaking
so
yes.
Exactly. So once you go to the association, or if you are here or if you are watching us now and you go to any of the associations, so they will tell you that
yes, come. You mentioned some things, police and so some people at the slums, they are speaking there is no work, and what you people can do to stop this ashawo in Ghana. I want you to know this.
Yes, that's what I'm saying, that we have these modules, and we have made sure that these modules are without qualification. You don't need to have an HND, a degree, a doctorate degree, a master's degree, because it is difficult to obtain all of these things. So we are saying that all of the modules that we run, community police, for example, community fire service, people in fire service, for example, and we recruit these people to support. When you walk through town, you see community police. They are directing traffic. That one you don't need certificate to do. So this is particularly targeted towards the people in the slums. If you look at Zoom Lion, for example, under Zoom Lion alone, we have recruited 45,000 people. So these are people who come from sweeping district assembly or sweeping the road here on GH1. You don't need certificate.
Yes.
So we collaborate with the slums. We get the people from there and make sure that they are recruited. The only problem I have is that people may not have access to information. People are not asking. Maybe the time we are doing the advert for the thing, somebody didn't hear. But that is why the government is also setting up information centers in every district. So once you go to the district office, you know that, YEA is doing this, recruiting sanitation people, recruiting community police, recruiting afforestation, recruiting this, recruiting this. So I will plead with the people to go to the information centers. We YEA, in every district, we have, when you go to Lejokuku, when you go to Amasamai, when you go to, we have offices there.
So you pay them?
Yes, we pay them.
You give them the money, big or small money? You pay them the big money or small money? I asked you.
It's not too much, but at least it will be able to sustain you. They said they were getting 400.
Maybe it is not hard for them.
Oh, it is good for them. It is good for them.
Are you sure?
Yes, it is good enough. It is good enough because it
so like how much?
So community police, we pay them 400 cedis.
Are you sure?
Yes, we pay community police 400, and every month we pay community.
Every month
police.
or week?
Every month.
Every month.
Every month we pay community police, and you see, we do said that our plan at YE, and my boss, lawyer Justin Kodia from Pong, and Honorable Samia Oku are there. They have set up a strategy so that if you Bukom Banku today come and join community police, and you don't have certificate, we talk to you, we train you, and tell you.
You say community police, you pay them for 400. So
400.
Otherwise, they pay them what?
But the 400, we take 50 cedis out of it. So what will come to you is 350. 5 cedis is for insurance. If anything happens to you on the job, a car can hit you. I mean, you are directing traffic and all of that.
And the other ones. And then the other ones.
The other ones is same. 350, 400. Then we take the 50 for insurance and for exit. So every month we are paying all of these people.
Sure.
So those people in the slums can always, our offices are open all the time in every district, even wherever you go, Nalerigu, wherever we have offices there.
So
they should just come there.
The people that go to school, they don't get work they do in the slums, and people are doing that. What do you do to help them?
Those who have gone to school. Those who have gone to school can go to NAPCO. That is why
I said. What you people can do for help these people to stop that things?
Those who have gone to school and don't have jobs. That is why government set up NAPCO. So that, I mean, for us, we deal with everybody, whether you have certificate or no certificate, whether you have gone to school or you haven't gone to school. But if you have gone to school and you don't have a job yet, the government says they have set up the Nation Builders Corps. They deal in taxes, that's revenue mobilization. If you did anything relating to health, you can do health. If you did anything relating to all the other sectors, you can just walk up to NAPCO and tell them today that you have finished school, you don't have employment. They should give you employment. They will put you on their payroll, and they even pay higher than we. They pay 7 million old Ghana cedis, so 700 Ghana cedis currently for the people that have gone to school. But I was talking about the artisan directory. There are people who will say, okay, I don't want community police. Yeah. Okay, I don't want NAPCO. Okay, I don't want this. I don't want that. I want to do my own work. You see, there were people who were talking in the video who said they want to do their own thing.
Yeah.
What we are saying is that we have set up the artisan directory. Just go to our district office. Go and apply. We will call you, train you, and give you money. Maybe buy a sewing machine for you if you are doing fashion design. If you are doing hairdressing, we'll buy that thing you put your head inside for you. If you are doing nails, we'll buy the equipment for you.
Yeah.
This is what we are telling the people, especially in the slums. And moving forward, we are going to deal with the leaders of the slum areas in Ghana here, so that they can directly bring their people. Always, we just tell them, oh, go to our district office. But as I speak to you now, my bosses, Lawyer Justice Kudia Frimpong, has asked us to organize a meeting with the leaders of the slums. So when you go to every slum, there is one champion man who knows everything, like a chief there. So we are going to meet all of these people. I see you are smiling. We are going to meet all of these people.
Like a snake can no walk without no shoe.
Thank you, my brother.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. So we are going to meet all of these people because it is a particular focus and a particular attention we are paying to the people in the slums. Yes. So that those who say they don't want community police, they don't want afforestation, you come, let's train you. And you see, the good thing about that is that when we finish, we'll help you to get clients. So, for example, you want to do plumbing work. As you are sitting here now, I know that you have a big house somewhere.
Yes.
Your big house, you have done pipes and everything inside.
Yeah.
If the pipe is leaking now, you need to go home and go and look for a plumber in the area and all that. We are saying that if you come to us, the slums, we come and talk to you and we train you and finish. You are a plumber, we train you as a plumber, you are done and everything. We have an internet platform. We'll put you on. So Buko Mbaku is in the studio. Your wife calls you that, oh, Buko, your pipe is leaking. You don't need to drive home and go and look for a plumber. You just go online and look for the plumber who is close to your house. Send him a text that go to my house on this location, the address system government introduced. He goes to your house, he does the work for you, you pay him mobile money.
Yeah.
The guy has a job, the guy is paid, the guy is sorted out. So, I mean, we are putting things in place and making sure that everybody is sorted. Okay. So all of these things that you saw.
They come.
Yeah.
I want to read something for Ghana.
Sure.
Honorable Aponchi, we go to Kumasi, we interview for Honorable Aponchi. I want you to listen that also video and say something to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
My name is Honorable Ibrahim Issa Dabo Hampim. Today I'm here in Oforukrom constituency at Dagwambalai. And I want to talk to people in this community about unemployment. Either they have employment to do or they don't have employment to do. So watch out, Banku Eba, for real. I want to ask you about what do you think and be done unemployment in this area?
The area said Mabiano, Tia Presemba, Obiaba, this condemned my Beman, and condemned one Obama, Omunina, this Omkosakayu. More I'm paying for this more for my junior. Namu Kwam Faso.
Rusty.
Brethren, how are you?
Oh, cool man. Chantablan.
Yeah, you know, everything all right. Man,
wow.
The situation we are in is very, very difficult. Because right now you can go and see some things that can make you benefit. After you have gone it, the dealers to give you the money to buy the thing, they will be pulling back. Then all of a sudden, instead of you to get profit, you'll be running loss. So due to these facts, in fact, we are struggling because we are secondary school graduates and it's for a long time. And we can't still. We have to do whatever we can do to feed ourselves so that in life we will know what we are doing. But this is in a way that we are in our own community, our own country. You can't go in for money. If you go in for money, you are going to pay huge tax. And it's not easy. So we have to find it difficult for us to pass through. So the thing that we want government to do is that he should come to our aid. He should come to our aid. We are pleading with him so that whatever it is, any arrangement that he can do for us, even if it is for them to give us capitals and we'll be setting the business, and at the end the percentage of the government and we to our percentage will be there. Fine, we can do it, but we are afraid of loan. We are Muslims. We can't go in for loan. Yeah man, you know everything alright. We tell them the justice, them do it.
Yo. Viewers, you hear my people saying about unemployment. So government of Ghana, Nana Addo Akufo-Addo and former President John Dramani Mahama, what do you think about that unemployment for the slums? This is GH1 TV Kumasi reporting. I, Honorable Aponche and Bukom Bonku, I give you the best experience of it.
My big father, I think said you want the Honorable Aponche video.
Yeah. Was that Kumasi magazine or?
So, yes, I don't know. The people are not there for they cannot get help. What can you do to help these people?
We are
they say they have job. The job is not going forward. So you people, what can you do when the job is going forward?
That is the training aspect. That we need to train them. And then again at the Artisan Directory, help them to move forward. So we have, for example, that's why I asked if it was Kumasi magazine. We have spoken to stakeholders of the magazine, for example, that we want to meet with them, train their people, and then put them also on the platform. So you have the job, but you are not too experienced. We want to train you to scale up your experience.
To make bigger.
Exactly. If you are doing Fiat, we want to train you to do Mercedes-Benz, to be able to do BMW and the big cars, Escalade and all of those things. And the one important thing, we don't want anybody to dupe you. So when the person comes there, we want to use the internet, the IT system we have set up to support you so that when the person is done, he pays you and you go away. Or he goes away. Not that you have finished, like the other guy was complaining, you finish the work and then the person takes your money and run away and all of that. We are with the youth. And so anything that bothers on the youth, especially those in the slums, is our burden. And that is what government of Ghana, the mandate government of Ghana has given us. So anything, we also take suggestions. I mean, as we are watching the video, we are also learning some of the things that we can add up to the plans we have already. So it's a good thing for all of us. And I think that we are moving forward. There is a good project that we are working on. For example, the one we are talking about with the people in Kumasi, the Swami magazine and all that. And even in Accra here, all the other slums, like I said, we are meeting with the leadership of the slums and planning what we can do to support. So we'll train them those who are not too experienced. We train them, for example, in accounting. How do you do if you are selling tomatoes? If you are selling this, if you are doing that, how do you do your accounting so that you make profits? All of those things are part of the things we are doing as Youth Employment Agency.
So the people, they are working. They get their home working. What the government, they hire them. So they give them a profit, interest.
As in government giving them interest?
Yes.
No, that's their own work. So we only support them to move forward. But we don't give them, but government, that is not YEA. But you see NBSSI, for example, when the COVID came.
Okay, the money, listen, the money the government, they give them to interest, they put something on it.
That when they finish, we'll take it back. No, we YEA, we don't do that. So, for example, the people we are paying our community police, we just pay them. Those we want to support will see fund because we have trained them. We just give them the money and support them and monitor them and do evaluation just to make sure that you are becoming big and employing other people. So when we give you the money, when you come on the artisan directory or the artisan platform, and we have finished the training and done everything, and we buy the equipment for you, it is not with interest. We don't take interest. We just support you, make sure that you don't chop the money, but we don't take interest. So don't chop the money.
Are you sure?
Work with it properly and employ other people. Ours is to make sure that the youth of Ghana are employed. People have jobs. More jobs are coming up.
So if the person chop money, what you people can do?
If the person chop money, is government of Ghana money, is people's taxes that we are using to do this project.
Well, you call police to catch.
Of course.
And we go court.
Of course, we have to go to court. Because it is not my money. It is not lawyer Justin Kudia from Pond's money. It is not Bukumba. It is your tax.
The locality money for court. When it is become money they take, but they are go jail. Wow.
Yeah. But you can't chop government money. Make sure that you work with it, make profits, employ people. Because see, the complaints are coming, and that is why you are asking me all the questions.
Yes.
So let's make sure that you are doing your part to make sure that what you are doing here is very, very key and important.
Yes.
To make sure that you drum home the point of employment. If government is not doing what it has to do, then it has to do what it has to do. Government has to support the private sector to build factories, build businesses, employ more people and all that. You are doing your part. When we give you the money, we train you on artisan directory, for example, and we give you the money. You should also do your part. Don't go and chop the money because it is people's taxes. It is not my money. So
I come.
Yes.
This nation, according to the Ghana Metro Act, GMS, what you people they do? They say you people are not work. So you can go YDA or YEA.
Youth Employment Agency.
To go and do what you like. Capital day there, hairdresser day there, driving day there, and then some things day there. Or you people help yourself to go there to work. You know everything you shouting. If you go to the training tour, how many money you take money?
The training, no, we don't. YEA.
Yes.
We get our money from government. So when we do anything, we don't take money. When we train you, we don't take money. We have set up something called the Job Center, for example. Those who have gone to school and are looking for jobs. Government cannot employ everybody. So we have to make sure that we provide a platform, an internet platform for you, where you can go and search for job.
Yes.
So we have collaborated with the private sector, AGI, Association of Ghana Industries, Private Enterprises Federation, all the big MTN and all of those people. We have spoken to them and we are bringing all of them on the platform so that when there's a vacancy at MTN, there's a vacancy at Vodafone, there's a vacancy at Airtel Tigo, they will post it on our platform. And then you that is looking for a job, when you go to Job Center, www.yeajobcenter.gov.gh, you also can go and look for the job. We don't charge you. When you go to other websites and you find a job, they will charge you your first 3 months salary. They will take it from you. But we are government. We do it for free. The companies that are putting their vacancies also on the platform, the Job Center platform, they also post it for free. Usually when you post it, you have a vacancy like Talo Ghana wants to employ a mechanic to go and work on their ship or something. They have to pay you so that they can put the vacancy on the platform. But we, YEA, we have set up the platform called YEA Job Center. Everybody can come and put their vacancy there so that the young people in Ghana who have completed university, completed polytechnics, completed nursing training and everything can also go there and look for jobs. So when you go there, you key in your name, key in what you have studied in school, maybe accounting, maybe marketing or whatsoever, and begin to look for opportunities that are available. We do all of that for free. When we train you into becoming a great person, when you go to Wenchi right now, Wenchi in the BA, we have done a 250-acre farm.
Are they come?
Maize farm.
Are they come?
Yes, sir.
Ghana, you hear how they are talking, they say, why do you say come there to train you, to give food and money in your pocket? You can't pay anything. And you sit home and you are shouting, work is no day, work is no day. Why do you? He said come for training. You learn some people, you learn everything there. You learn everything there. They give you capital, hairdressing, makeup, bossing, and football, and everything you know. At the go second break, when I come, I will talk more.
Order the Huawei Y8P before 13th August to enjoy a free Huawei band phone and gift box, plus a Huawei VIP card. Hurry! Terms and conditions apply.
The assurance that absolutely none can compare. The peace of mind that nothing could ever be better. The joy that comes with being free to be who you are. And the knowledge that where we're from can guide us to where we're going. Key, a tradition of smiles, a future that's bright.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Daddy, give me the final word and you leave me for the station. Give me final word and you leave me for the station.
My final word to Ghanaians is that they should access information. They should go to the district offices of the Youth Employment Agency. They should go to the district offices of the Ministry of Information. Yes. They should access information about the jobs that are available. They should go to YEA Job Center, www.yeajobcenter.gov.gh and access information. They should speak to me, they should speak to my boss, they should speak to anybody at YEA and access the opportunities that are there. There are a number of opportunities. I was talking about Wenchi farms. Just last year, we have ended a 250-acre farm with 100 people. We trained them for free, gave them the maize for free, supported them, we did the planting for them, did everything for them, and trained them on how to farm. Usually, previously, they will farm and get small proceed, but now they know how to apply all the mechanics. So those who want to farm were there, and they have farmed, and we gave them the money. The proceeds that we got from it, the profit, it is for them because we divided the farms for them, all of them. You, 3 acres for you, 5 acres for you. When you finish and you farm it well, the profit is for you. Now, you can go and get a land, and with the knowledge you have acquired, do a bigger farm.
Yes.
So all of these opportunities are there at the Youth Employment Agency. And it is not YE alone. There is NEIP, there is NAPCO, there is NBSSI supporting COVID, those people who have been affected by COVID. We are collaborating with the private sector. Industries are coming up and all of that. So they should access information and they should go to our offices, go to the offices of local government, the DCE's offices, the MCE's offices, and they'll find information there.
Yes. Thank you.
A man can never be careful.
Unless he buy a new car and a white shirt.
A man can never be careful.
Unless he buy a new car and a white shirt. And the people with that community make society.
Thank you.
Empty calabash cannot sink in the river.
You be strong, man.
I will see you.
You be solid, man.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yes, now I'm coming to the water. According to the Ghana Metro and GMS Africa, the weather of sea tomorrow will be rough, so don't go to sea. So the fishermen must be careful when going to sea, including condition with chances of slight rain or drizzle is abstracted to ocean and coastline. Yeah. Tonight and early tomorrow morning. Yes, I'm back again. My brothers and my sisters, word of the week. The word of the week. Today, it's very temple. Meaning compop and nicompop. Or what? The American pop mini is coming. Mini compop noni. Allow what? Mini stupid or silly person ye don't be a nicompop by feeling the claim 3 times to mobile money. Frighters. Charlie, you go kill me, GH1. This Ghana people, now listen to me.
Word of the week. Nincompoop. Noun. Meaning a stupid or silly person. Example: don't be a nincompoop by falling victim 3 times to mobile money fraudsters.
Ghana, don't do the little poop. Go YDA to find a job. So Ghana, don't look up poop. Don't look up. Go to YDA to find a job, and you stop shouting, Daddy. You know me, my English is not good, so always I try.
But
myself.
you are trying. You've done well.
Thank you.
You are trying.
Okay.
You are trying.
Thank you.
So nice one.
Thank you. God bless you.
Nice one. God bless you too.
Okay.
God
I'll
bless
meet you.
too. Right. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Ghana, read this message. Read this message. Ghana, pay attention and be biometrical for your sound. To go and find a job. Brighten your mind. Polish your mind. And then stop ashawo and normality and caution disease and fire the hand robbing and do sagawa and selling the traffic in the and car beating people is around. Let me tell you something. I want to beg up my assemblyman for Odorodi Odowu. Honorable Mankata. Today, the sanitation. I swear in my face. Nobody will tell me. Honorable, clean all the dirty in that area. Go and see Buko. They are all good lavender and everything. What this honorable, I go blessing me, Father, in the cemetery. Ghana. Daddy, it be true at the talk.
Yeah. You should show leadership by example.
Ghana, I beg you. And they tell you all the time. Brighten your mind, make your Goshen disease, make your everywhere to go work because Ghana go la show. Ghana go end. People are behavior in this country, they are behavior. They say they are not working in the nation. Everybody, their behavior, no sense they do. Eh? That student, they are also insulting Nana Akufo-Addo, rough in the country. Nana Addo-Dankwa. When you watch the video and they say every day I tell you that watch my program Saturday. Mr. Excellency and Joe Mama. And Nilante and Banama. Watch my video every time. And you give him more morale in this show.